This is Sahasra. Welcome back to our channel. I'm just showing you as a superhero. I'm going to tell you about bioengine. What is bioengine? It is a fermented liquid made from jaggery and fruit peels or vegetable peels. We can use it in many ways. Every day we are using chemicals to clean our house. Vessels, bathrooms, floor. We use chemicals, and more dirt it gets, we more use the chemical to clean our house. So we can use bioengine to clean our house. And now I'm going to teach you how to make bioengine. This is my measuring cup and jaggery. I'm not going to eat this because of the spoon. And this is the orange, peeled orange. I'm going to peel this and eat. And these are the orange peels. This orange peel. And this is the water jug. And this is the plastic container. Don't use glass or metal. If you use glass, it will break. If we use metal, it will get rusty and dirty. I'm going to pour this jaggery directly into this container. First I should smooth this up. That will hard thing. Come on. Yes. Yeah. Little bit jaggery left. I will eat it. See this jaggery? It is sticking to this. Now I'm going to pour 3 cups of orange peels into this. I should wear hand gloves. These peels are so sticky and wet, so that's why I'm using hand gloves. You naughty eagles. I mean, flies. Shoo, shoo, from my peels. Don't eat these peels. These are for bioengine. So I'm going to put it in. I should put some more. First cup. So I'm going to put it. This is the second cup. Now I'm going to put the last cup. It is the third one. Oh. Now I'm going to pour 10 cups of water into this lid. I mean container. This is great. Good. Now second cup going on. Yeah. So this is my final cup, 10th cup. I'm going to pour it in here. I'm done. Do you know, friends, there should be gap between the cap and this bioengine, so it can release the gas. Again, I'm going to tell you the ratio. 1 cup of jaggery, 3 cups of fruit peels or vegetable peels, and 10 cups of water fermented for 3 months Thank you.